Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh!
Thank you, God, for sending this beautiful baby in our lives. But you forgot to send the manual in which it shows how am I supposed to comfortably hold my baby. Hi, I am Dr. Abhinav Malhotra, your friendly pediatrician. And I'm here for you during the most precious and sometimes the most overwhelming days of your newborn journey. Whether it's figuring out sleep, feeding, crying, pooping, or just wondering what's normal, I'm right here to guide you, answer your questions, and make you feel confident as a parent. You've got this, and I've got you. Follow along and let's raise happy, healthy babies together. Hi, if you're a newborn parent and still figuring out how to hold your baby, then this is what you need to know. Picking up your baby for the first time is all about gentle support and absolute confidence. Let me start by teaching you how to pick your baby. Slide one hand under the baby's head, the other hand under their bottom. Once you feel secure, scoop them up gently and bring them close to your chest. Now that your baby is in your arms, let's look at a few of the common ways to hold them safely and comfortably. The first hold is called a cradle hold. This is a classic hold. In this, the baby lies across your body, head resting in the angle of your elbow and face upwards, supporting their head, neck and spine and their bottom with one arm, and use the other arm for comfort. It's great for bonding, feeding and talking to your baby. Next, we've got the shoulder hold. Amazing for a baby who needs burping or when your baby just wants to rest or look around. Always make sure that your baby's face is turned the other direction so that they can breathe freely from their nose and mouth. But their head should be well rested between your neck and your ear. A simple tip is you keep a burping cloth on your shoulder just in case your baby spits out that extra milk. And you see, with your right hand free now, you can always use it for patting their back and supporting the neck gently. Now we move on to step number 3. The next hold, which is very effective, is the lap hold. In this, you turn your baby gently around in such a way that the chest and chin are on your left thigh and the right thigh has the bottom and the knees. Remember, in this, it helps your baby lay with the tummy downwards and across both thighs at the same level. It's very soothing and helps the baby release that extra gas. It's a win-win situation for you and your baby, as you also get to rest your arms if you have a well-grown baby. At the same time, you must remember that the baby's nose and mouth is comfortably open and able to breathe. It's very effective, especially for those babies with that extra colic. Another great position is the belly or the forearm hold. Hold your baby with the face down on your forearm. This one is great for those gassy or overstimulated babies. Let them lie on your forearm, head in the elbow gap, facing outwards in front, the baby's stomach on your entire arm, and holding one leg with the same hand. The other hand is used for stability and patting that back. Remember, the gentle pressure on the tummy can be calming, and turning them away helps reduce that extra overstimulation. By the way, every baby and every parent finds their favorite hold. Just make sure the baby's nose and mouth are always clear and you're supporting their neck and spine always. You've got this. You're doing great. Congratulations. You now officially know how to hold your baby without dropping, flopping, or calling someone in panic. If you've liked this video, do press the like button and hit that subscribe button. We are just getting started. See you in the next new